So welcome everybody. Safety warning for the people sitting in the front rows. Pelicans do come up close. They do have a grooming tooth and they could turn around and give you a nasty scratch, so please be very careful. Pelicans also have a grooming tooth. Did I just say that? If they do come close, make movement with your feet and they should move away with your belongings. Hold on tight to your cameras, your mobile phones, and put it under two. Okay, today we got Jan feeding our birds. My name's Kathy. We got Lee doing some spotting. We got Lee doing our donation buckets up at the back and also selling our souvenir pelicans. They're $10 each and all money raised goes back to our pelican feeding show. Is tomorrow the last day of school holidays? Or at the beginning? Which day is the last? Okay, welcome everybody. There is only one species of pelicans in Australia called the Australian spectacled pelican. The other 7 species are all over the world. The Australian spectacled pelican is bigger in size. They also have the longest beak and their colourings are different. The Australian spectacled pelican is the largest water bird in Australia. The pelicans have known to soar to 3,000 metres and can remain in the air for 24 hours and have known to occasionally visit the southern coast of Papua New Guinea and the north coast of New Zealand, North Island.
Souvenir pelicans, $10.
Their wingspan may vary from 2.3 to 2.8 metres wide. Their pouch, it doesn't look very big, but it actually has 10 litres of water.
Do you want a pelican to stay back in there?
The only difference between the male and the female pelican is their size. The females are the smaller ones with the shorter bill and the males are taller. So just here in front of the Arby, just on the left, the microphone's cutting out. So the little females are smaller and inside Jan.